Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to get Gemini in Nico's Nextbots. It's important to understand that Gemini, also known as Geminis, is a very special Nextbot. However, acquiring it isn't a straightforward task. Its appearance is tied to a rare, random event within the game, meaning there isn't a specific set of actions you can perform to make it appear. It truly comes down to luck and being in the right place at the right time. Let's dive into what that means for you. When the elusive Geminis event finally occurs, it's quite an experience. This special event introduces two formidable Void Nextbots, Sariel and Ramiel, into the game. The exciting part is that if you are present in the server when this event starts, you will automatically be granted the coveted Geminis badge. However, be warned. Surviving the event itself can be incredibly difficult, as these Nextbots are designed to be very challenging to evade. It's a true test of skill. Since getting Gemini is all about being present for a random event, your best strategy is to maximize your time in the game. Many players choose to stay active in public servers for extended periods, sometimes for several hours or even over 20 hours, hoping the event will trigger. Interestingly, even if you are away from your keyboard or AFK, simply being in a server when the Geminis event begins can still earn you the badge. Persistence is key here. Ultimately, acquiring Gemini in Nico's Nextbots boils down to patience and persistence. There are no hidden tricks, secret codes, or specific tasks that will guarantee the event's activation. Your best bet is to simply enjoy the game, play regularly, and be present in servers as much as possible. With a bit of luck and consistent effort, you might just find yourself earning that rare Geminis badge when the event randomly appears. Happy hunting and good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.